Calibration is clearly spelled out on my tablet after hitting the calibration button and then the start button. As you can see, I rotate it towards me with the camera going from top to bottom to start the process, and that is what I will do with the Cicada next. Having completed step 1, it now wants to be rotated the way it's being shown here on the picture, and I will do that next. Having completed step 2, it now wants to be rotated as shown in the picture here, and I will do that next. Having done step 3 as requested, it has shown that I have completed the calibration, and having done this previously, I can tell you that my Cicada now responds properly and flies under very good control using my tablet.